Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my first attempt at creating a smoky eye. I'm going to be creating an outer corner smoky eye. So if you want to see how I created this look for my very first time, stay tuned. I've already did my eyebrows. I've already applied my BB cream and all that stuff. So this is not a full face makeup tutorial. This is just focusing on the eyes with the smoky eye look. So I'm going to take a piece of tape, and when you're doing any type of look like this, a piece of tape is definitely needed to make the crease come out looking clean and crisp. So I'm applying this to the outer corner of my eye because the look that I'm going for requires that wing look as crisp as possible. So of course a piece of tape is going to help do that. And now I'm going to take the NYX primer, and I'm going to go ahead and start priming my eyes. I'm going to start with this NYX Avant Pop, and from this palette I'm going to take this black color, and this is the black color that I'm going to use to create the outer corner smoky eye look. And I'm taking this angled brush, and I'm starting in the crease of my eye, and with this angled brush I'm attempting to create a wing. So like an outer corner wing is what I was trying to create, which is the reason why I had the tape there. But it did not work the way I thought it was going to work. So I don't know if I used the wrong brush. I might have used the wrong brush. This might not have been the best eyeshadow to use. I mean, there's a lot of different factors that could be the reason why it was looking a little messy to me. It just wasn't looking like I've seen all of the makeup gurus look when they do this look. So I was just like, okay. And then I went ahead and used that same brush and that same color to do an eyeliner, which once I done that, I realized that I should have done it after I applied the eyeshadow, because you will see later that when I apply the eyeshadow it actually covers up the eyeliner, and so that was like kind of pointless. So again, yeah, live and you learn on that one. And the left eye just wasn't cooperating at all. I don't know if I did not have my hand angled correctly. I really don't know, but it was really getting on my nerves because it was not going in my crease correctly. It was very messy. I couldn't seem to get a very crisp line there to create the wing line, and it's just getting all over the place. So the left eye was really giving me the most problems. I think I did okay on the right eye, except for the crease line looked a little jagged. But this left eye was just not wanting to be my friend today with this whole smoky eye thing, because it just wasn't doing anything. So I don't really know what I did with the left eye. So yeah, I try to fix it in the end, so you'll kind of see what it turns out looking like at the end of the tutorial. All right, after that I went back in with the black, and I'm going to fill in the outer corner here with that black that is going to give that smoky eye effect. This to me was the easiest part of this makeup look, because I was doing was filling it in, which made me kind of wish that I would have just applied the outer corner like I apply any type of outer corner eyeshadow, instead of trying to make it look like a crease or whatever. I think I would have came out better, and it would have given me that same type of smoky look, but it's too late for that now, so I am pressing forward. And now I'm taking this eyeshadow palette from Chestnut Eyes, and I showed this eyeshadow palette last week on my makeup haul, and a lot of the products that I'm using is from the makeup haul that I did last week, that I purchased last week. And I'm going in with the burgundy color And I'm going to apply the burgundy color to the middle of my eyelid because I'm going to have sort of like three colors going on. I found this look on Pinterest and was very inspired by kind of the look. It doesn't look exactly like it. I don't try to look exactly like Pinterest or what I see. I try to kind of make it my own. So yeah, this is kind of where this look is coming from. But anyways, I am applying that burgundy color in the middle of my eyelid. And now I'm going in with this Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to apply this concealer to the outer corner of my, excuse me, not the outer corner, the inner corners of my eye. And I'm taking this flat brush and I'm just going to kind of blend that concealer in. I don't want it to be too thick because if it's too thick, then the eyeshadow is not going to spread properly. So I want to make sure that I have an even coat so that when I apply that top shadow color, that it will adhere correctly and it will be even. Now I'm going back in that palette and I am going to be using this nude color here, and I'm going to add that to the inner corner of my eye, and I'm using that same flat brush. I am patting this color on because I really want that color to kind of shine through when I add the second color to the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to spray my brush to add the last color of this eyeshadow look, and I'm spraying the brush of course so that the color can get on the brush the way it's supposed to. And this is kind of a bronzy color. You can't really see it. My camera for some reason kept going in and out of focus, but anyways, I'm going to pat that color on. It's a very beautiful bronzy golden chocolate color, and it has a shimmer to it, so that is the last color that I'm going to add to this eyeshadow look. Now after I get all of the colors on, I'm going to take this blending brush and I'm just blending, and I'm really trying my best to fix this left eye because it just does not look right to me. But it was not trying to fix. I fixed it the best way I could so that it wouldn't look too messy. But anywho, and now I'm going to take my mascara, and this is also the mascara that I mentioned in the makeup haul for last week as well, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelashes. I am actually loving this mascara. It does a very good job with elongating my lashes, and it also doesn't cause them to clump. And now I'm just going to carefully remove this tape from my face so that I can, well, it looks like a wing. When I took the tape off, it did give me a little bit of a wing, but the wing was not looking like the wing that I had seen on Pinterest, but it came out looking okay. I'm not too upset about that, but yeah, I'm gonna have to work on it. After that, I'm going back in with my Bobbi Brown BB cream because I want to kind of touch up that area where I had that tape. It kind of pulled off the makeup, so I'm just going to go in and touch in that area. Now the hard part is over. The rest of it is definitely what I've done many times, and that is adding blush to my cheeks. This is a brownish blush, and I don't really remember where I got it from, and of course the label is gone. And I'm reaching back there for another brush. I'm currently washing my old brushes, so they were still wet when I was doing this video, so I was using the brushes that I showed last week in my makeup haul, and this is not really a blush brush, so yeah, I'm trying to blend it as much as possible. But anyway, and now I'm going to take this highlighter color from Revolution. It is a kind of a golden gold color, and I'm just going to apply that to the top of my cheeks. After that, I'm going to set everything with this NYX setting spray, and I got this sample when I purchased some makeup from Ulta, and so yeah, I'm just trying it out to see how it works. Last but not least is the lipstick, and I'm using one of my favorite lipsticks, and this is the Bronze Beauty from Milani. Love Milani lipsticks. They smell good, they look good. I haven't worn this lipstick very often because I don't like it with everything. So yeah, if I'm not wearing like a brown or a gold, I usually don't wear this. So this really worked perfectly with what I have on. And here is the finished look. How do you all think I did on my very first attempt at a smoky eye? I think that I definitely can do better, working on my technique, working on exactly how I want the crease look to look, using the right brushes and all of that stuff. Yes, it's definitely something I'm going to continue practicing, but it's not like I'm ashamed or embarrassed to go out. It's not that bad looking. It is definitely something I can wear and be okay with. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.